Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to uninstall Wordscape application. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Now select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Wordscape and perform your search. Tap on it. At the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find Uninstall button. Tap on it. If you are sure, tap on the OK button. And this is how you can uninstall Wordscape application. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.